The globe is overwhelmed by trash. The best solution is to recycle. Originally, I was working on completely recycled electronics. I made the receiver and the actuators for the control surfaces. But until now, I'm still unable to develop an effective helix controller. So I mixed recycled items with microcontrollers and Arduinos. The originally planned electronics will be used in the future on my undergoing foam airplane project. For this airplane, I used the joysticks of a trash RC remote control and combined it with Arduino circuit. First, I isolated the joysticks from the circuit of the old remote and then soldered power and ground wires as well as potentiometer output wires. For the transmitter receiver modules, I'm using the 433 MHz modules which have acceptable range and sensitivity. I used the Arduino Uno microcontroller board as the controller. I made a card out of a prototype board and soldered the transmitter module, a battery connector, and prepared the analog inputs. The potentiometers of the joysticks will be connected to the analog inputs of the Arduino. A plastic box is used for the transmitter body. I cut the joystick locations and put an on-off switch, a gear switch, a trimming switch, and a switch to change the mode between airplane and flying wing control. Similarly, for the receiver, I made another board card, soldered the receiver module, and planted on another Arduino board. The servo motor connection pins are connected to the PWM pins 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10 of the Arduino board. I added an antenna of 17.3 cm long to the transmitter and a dipole antenna of the same length to the receiver. The receiver circuit is put inside the airplane. The servo motors are connected to the receiver and placed firmly inside the fuselage. The control horns are placed on the rudder and the elevator, and the ESC is connected.